Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing. I've got my dog Sparkles here. Now, I did not name him. Somebody gave him to me because he was not having a good home life. But I call him Sparky, or Speakles, Spookalaka-leaky Lukey, or Spooky. He does not know why he's up here. Okay, this is not going to be very eventful. But I thought I would do a live unboxing at least. So this is, I don't even know where, oh, there it is. This is from Luke at Compoform. This is the actual side-by-side Compoform piece. I didn't do the unboxing for that one. Ooh, look, there's a rip in there. But, because it was a prototype, but I thought I would do the unboxing for this one. Never want to actually cut into the actual. Poof! He has changed to a different dog now. Look, I think I found his doppelganger. Don't you think they look alike? This is not a chew toy. This is an Ewok. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay. Where were we? Are you gonna be my fidget dog? Newspaper. This is horrible. We're back. Isn't he cute? He's a Cavapoo. Okay. So this is the Compoform side-by-side. This is not the prototype. There's me. That's my name. That's my name. Oh my God. Okay. I'm so excited. He's helping me. I appreciate you. Oh, and that video that I posted about those spider webs, those were cobwebs. There's a difference. I didn't know. Dude. What the hell? That's not good for puppies. Here, take to Melanie. Oh my God. Closing the knife. Okay. Compoform. Ivan Gustav. I named my dog Ivan Gustav. Doesn't he look like one? Okay, serious question. Who's cuter? Now, if you said anything other than Ivan Gustav, you're wrong. No, his actual name is Boone. Okay. Oh my God. Get my name out of your mouth, puppy. Dude. Play with your doppelganger. Okay. Still, everybody on Facebook says that I picked the wrong pattern picking the weave one. Oh. Okay, so first off, I want to check. Oh, dude, this is what the magnets look like. They're much bigger. Oh, yeah. Dude, he fixed it. Insane. Wow, feels so good. Okay, now, I think that I'm slowly turning into a lanyard person. So it comes with the hole there and the little, like, lanyard thingy. So you just fit it right through. Dude, it's easier said than done. You gotta push it out, feed it through, push the puppy away. Bro, maybe I should just go solo, you know? Maybe this whole animal and fidget thing is just not for me. Do you want to get down? Oh my God. Okay. Let's just pretend that this is Ivan Gustav, okay? Okay, Ivan. Tell me, what do you think of this fidget?
I like it.
Oh my God, dude. I'm like corny. Okay, so I really think that with these fidgets, you do need the lanyard because they're small. They're just small. So you feed it through. Okay, hold on. Okay, you feed it through and you put the little bottom part in there. And then that's it. Boom. So now you've got a little handle. Oh, so nice. It's amazing how the magnet size makes such a big difference. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around so that Ivan and I can show you how this thing really looks. Ivan, so what do you think? Do you like it? Should I put the lanyard thing on the other side? I might have to feed it through the other way. This is what Fidget Cat's done to me. No, that wasn't Fidget Cat. She would never do that. What do you think, Ivan? How do you make such things? Oh, I know you like it. All right, I want to show you guys in the sun what it looks like. Why is it not focused? Okay, hold on. There she is. Wow. This bitch is like $300. Does not jump anymore, that's for sure. Cool. I'm sorry. This house is a fucking animal house. Ugh. I think if they were a little bit smaller, I could get that motion down. But what do you think? So anyway, Ivan and his fidget are signing off. Bye. Bye, ladies and gentlemen and boys and girls. Thank you for viewing my fidget. I love you. Guten Tag.